So everybody back in the driveway, and as you can tell, we're checking out the Fur Eel Pro 2. This is the third, I think, iteration of the Fur Eel, and it is bigger, badder, better. Look at the ferocious teeth on this monster. This should be the fur monster, because it's not playing any games no more. Tom from Buff Bright sent it over early for me to check it out and make a video on it, and boy, am I impressed. Look at those pads. He dares you to try and wear it out on just a couple vehicles. He says pretty much guaranteed 10 cars with this bad boy. You're gonna have actually a hard time wearing through the teeth on this one. Now we can see, looking back at the Fur Eel Pro, the second iteration of the Fur Eel, these little 4 bumpers were added, and it helped tremendously as well. But now it's just to the maximum, just 4 huge, actually 5 huge bumpers now. And the teeth are doubled, possibly even tripled in size and length. So it's just bigger, badder, better all around. And we're gonna put it to the test today on this super, super dirty mat. It's got sand, it's got some fur, you see it all. So let's give it a good vacuum, of course, for maximum efficiency. You gotta pair it up with a good anti-static. We got P&S paint gloss today as our anti-static spray. So we'll just toss that down there, a couple spritz on our mat. You can use fabric softener, whatever your preferred anti-static spray is. I use paint gloss, that Sydney sauce. All right, let's get some vacuum action and see what the new improved Fur Eel Pro 2 can do. So there you go, there's a good 50-50 action for you. This is a super dirty mat, but you can see the dramatic difference after quickly. I mean, we're at 4 minutes recording this whole total video before editing. So I mean, super quick. As you can see, pretty much no wear action with especially when you pair it up with the anti-static paint gloss. It's gonna definitely slow that wear action down. Use the right motions. Don't go up and down. It's a pull, pick up, pull, just like you're using a pet hairbrush. And you're gonna have great success with the Fur Eels, especially the new and improved Fur Eel Pro 2. I should have these up in the Cleaner Stash store very shortly. I'll drop that in the link so you can go check it out. It's my affiliate link website, and get you some Fur Eel Pro 2 action. I'm giving it the big double thumbs up. I already love the Fur Eels, but now bigger, badder, better, all that good stuff. So go check them out at the Cleaner Stash website. And there you go. I'm gonna work on these mats because we got a really dirty interior today. So I'm gonna be really putting it to the test. But that was a quick demo for you. Fur Eel Pro 2. It's the real deal. Go get you one. I'll catch y'all on the next one.